how sitting up. You can sit up the other side to the other side. Or how you going to say? Oh no, we get so sorry, Sim. Okay, sit your cross like a Buddha. Okay, so we're going to teach you how to sitting sit position. Okay, let customers sit up. Okay, sit up there, and then you behind customer. You go watch out. Okay, on the video, you when I will post in YouTube. Okay. You sit like that. Just relax. Okay. Same thing. You put your hand, and then you up and down. Say some like it. Same is a sideways and back. This one highlight of Thai massage is help customer have problem with the neck and shoulder. Okay, up and down like a few times. Okay, same sideways. Go slow. Right? Feel good, right?
Mm-hmm.
When they have problems, see, you put like that. See? So we go runway, this side, and then warm up, and we press, and then we go this side. Okay? Then this one we hold, we to be not
Okay.
you feel. See? When you like that, you feel better, right?
Yeah.
See? That's what when customer, I have neck shoulder problem, so you know how to fix now.
Okay.
From now on, okay? And then, and for when you press like that, and now we're going to do it this way. Use if customer, you can do the hand, press. We start from close to your neck, away, middle, the edge, but be careful for the bone. Okay?
Okay.
See, when I do, I press and I stretch. See? But when you kneel, you don't want to hurt customer. You go like that. See? You go like a palm. You don't go like point. You not see? See? We call press point. It's different, huh?
Yeah.
That's what we call real Thai massage. So you know how to do it now. Okay. We have there until warm, and then you can chin down. You can press them. See? Or you can put one arm stretch. See? Stretch. This one, see? Some customer you can do that. And then you can do whatever you want to do with customer up for back spine, up and down, see? And when they have, I still hurt very tight, you can massage in here, see, around, see, to loosen the muscle, see. And I do in the spine. Normally I do like this too. And this side, up and down, 3-4 times.
Okay.
See, when they have sciatica, see, we can use knuckle and see. Can you go further? Let them stretch. Oh my God! You don't have any flexible. Normally I have to go. Okay. back down again, please. See? And then you work and to work on stretching. Okay. Like at this one. Remember? Highlight.
Yeah.
Relax, deep breath. Relax. Down. Steady, right? Easy. And that's it. And then you do the other side. And when you're done, I said, oh, hope you feel better. Thank you for coming. Do another side, Sam. Okay.